Oh, that was so close, Ika.
Yeah, luckily we don't end up as their meal dishes.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, hello. My name is Akma, and this is my friend Hazika, and we from Nerapan, from University Putra Malaysia. Sedap.
So today we're going to talk about this one type of reptiles called the birds.
Let's take a rest first. Oh God. You know what? Birds actually come from the revolutions of dinosaurs, Fendi.
Really?
Yeah.
Such as?
From the movie Jurassic Park, the velociraptors.
Oh yeah, that one.
Yeah.
But how can they fly so high in the sky? They look so heavy.
Actually, birds have many sizes, like from the tiny hummingbird to the bigger size, like ostrich. But yeah, how come they can fly so high?
And there are actually some birds that couldn't fly, such as penguins and so on.
Yeah.
Why?
2 hours later.
So, after doing some research about birds, we actually found out that birds have special features that enable them to fly.
Most of their anatomical features are related to their ability to fly. These features help to provide energy for flight and also reduce their body weight.
Hence, making the flight action less energetically cost. So, the features are: the first one are soft down, keep birds warm. Second one, birds use their wing feathers to allow them to fly. And lastly, bird will use their tail feather for orienteering, meaning that they will use their tail feather to help pitch their body and adjust their altitude similar to ladders on airplane. Other than that, birds have the features for modified skeleton. Unique to birds, the collarbone is fused and the sternum has a skill. Because of the fusion of many other bones, it makes the skeleton more rigid compared to the other reptilian skeleton. The breast muscle are attached to the gill, and their action is account for the stabilities for the bird to fly. And a horny beak has replaced the jaw, equipped with teeth, and a slender neck connects the head to a rounded compact torso.
Next, modified respiration. We are all aware that respiration is one of the most crucial process done by the living organisms in order for us to continue living. Without respiring, the metabolic reactions inside our body couldn't occur, hence lead to death. Birds are special compared to the other reptiles as they have lobular lungs that is connected to the anterior and posterior tissues. Also, it was the assets that are responsible to help to lighten the body and bones. This is why the birds are able to fly high in the sky. Also, assets are present in the cavities of the birds. Next, endothermy. You know that whenever we talk about thermal, it is something related to heat. Compared to the other reptiles, birds are able to maintain a constant body temperature. Many endotherms use heat inside their body to maintain their body temperature. This may be related to their effective nervous, circulatory, and also their circulatory system. Last but not least, birds also have well-developed sense organs and nervous system. They have acute vision and well-developed brain. The greatness of their muscle reflex is never in doubt. Generally, the enlarged portion of the brain is responsible for instinctive behavior. The ritualized courtship often precedes mating. Normally, their parents will take care of these tiny little creatures as they are not yet able to find food by themselves. Just like us when we were younger, their parents will go to find their food such as worm and come back to the nest to feed them. One of the aspects that affect a bird's behavior is the seasonal migration of many species over long distances. They navigate by day and night in sunny or cloudy weather, using sun, stars, and even Earth's magnetic field to guide them. Birds are very vocal animals, meaning they are super sensitive towards sound. Their vocalization are distinctive and so convey an abundance information.
So as the diversity of living birds, the majority of the birds that we can see around us right now have the ability to fly. However, there's some of these species that cannot even fly, such as kiwis, ostrich, and penguins. They're flightless. And also, these birds are classified according to their beak and also food type, and also according to their habitat and behavior.
Birds are very special creatures made by the God. By studying their nature, we'll be able to appreciate His creation more. I'm Hanina Hazika binti Harun Rashid.
And I'm Nur Farzata Akabatul Ruslan. This is the end of our discussion about birds.
Thank you for watching and don't forget to hit the like button. Bye!